Hi, welcome to Look Masters Non-Surgical Hair Placement Center, Mohali. We are located at SCF 51, second floor, phase 5, Mohali. As you can see, totally independent on the second floor. Our center is with independent, very spacious, ultra high tech, separate private zones for each client for their hair replacement procedures. We got expert team, extra high tech environments, and we do all our hair replacement procedures, namely hair patches, hair wigs, hair toppers, and extensions with 100% human hair in these independent private zones for our clients. All our aprons, towels are also disposable, which are used for your safety. And the highest standards of hygiene and cleanliness is followed here. All our hair systems are with 100% human hair, and we are experts in non-surgical hair placement for both men and women. This is the office and the counseling zone, as you can see, of Look Masters Non-Surgical Hair Placement Center, Mohali. And you're welcome to fix your appointment by calling me, Ashish Tuggal, the proprietor of Look Masters Chandigarh and Look Masters Mohali, at 98140-71143, and we'll be glad to take care of your non-surgical hair placement aesthetic solution. Take care, God bless, see you.